Okay. One second. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Uh, am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible.
Okay. On the screen, can you see the diagram clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, today we are going to solve this example. Okay. So here it is a hexagonal building. In the exam, it may ask because it is very, very simple if you understand the concept of one apart from the rectangle building. Compared to that, it is very simple. Okay. But if you know some trigonometric formulas, so that you can be easily solved. Okay. Now, so now in a typical hexagon, if any two corners they are joined, then it will make a 60 degree. Okay na? So 6 into 6 times 360, it will complete one circle. Now in this case there is a small formula. So this example is solved using using center line method only. So you need to find this line, okay, to calculate all the elements center line first thing. Apart from that, you want to calculate this outer to outer for slab, this outer to outer the slab, this from here to here. And to calculate chajja, you need from here to here, you need here to here. Only inside is given, inside area is given, sorry, inside dimension is given, that is 4 meter. And wall thickness is given 0.3 meter, wall thickness 0.3 meter, windows are given. Okay na? In the cross section, depth of excavation is how much here? 0.4 plus 0.5 is equal to 0.9. 0.9 plus 0.15 is equal to 1.05. It is 1.05. Okay, na? Depth of excavation. Width here 0.9. Next step 0.75. Next step 0.6. Next step 0.45. Next wall 0.3. And the height of the inside wall is 3.45. And this chajja projection from here to here, this chajja projection is given 0.45. 0.45. Apart from that, slab thickness is also given. Slab thickness 7.5 for chajja, 1.12 for normal slab or roof slab. Okay na? 0.12 is nothing but 120 mm, or how much? 12 centimeter. Here it is 12 centimeter. Here it is 7.5 centimeter. Don't get confused. Na? Some dimensions are given in meter, some given are in centimeter, some are given in mm also. Okay. Try to maintain one. You could have changed here only 0.75. 0.75 only. Here only. Sorry. 0.075. It should be 0.075. Here it is 0.12. Both are in meters. All other things are given. Now, apart from that, doors and window schedules are also given. This typical example for 20 marks, because it is a very simple as well as it can be solved as a 21 module question. Okay, na? Now, what are the dimensions we want to calculate here? Mean length. Okay, mean length of this center line of wall as well as outer edge of this slab. Outer edge of this slab. Okay, na? Now, you know inside to inside how much? 4. To calculate mean, there is one formula. To calculate mean, there is one formula. See here, this is a 0.3, no? 0.3. Half of this is 0.15. Half of this is 0.15. So that formula is this additional distance. This additional distance is 2 times 0.15 into tan 60. Here it is written. Are you understanding? That additional distance. 2 into 0.15 by tan 60. This is ready-made formula. No, don't worry. My voice is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, okay. Now see here. So that additional distance, this additional distance is given by 2 into 0.15 divided by tan 60. Okay, na? So when you add that additional to the inside, you are going to get what? Mean distance. You are going to get this mean. What is that mean? From here to here, from here to here. So that mean distance LM. Is that step clear for everyone? How to calculate this one? From this middle point to this middle point. Inner to inner is 4. This mean distance inside center line is given by LM is equal to this 4 plus 2 into 2 into 0.15 divided by tan 60. What is 0.15? Half of the thickness. This formula you should remember. So that is given by 4.17. That is given by 4.17. So all center to center, how you to write? 6 are the sides, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into this mean distance. 6 into this mean distance is equal to 6 into 4.17 is equal to 25.02. 25.02. That is one thing. Outer to outer, this from here to here, from outer to outer, from here to here, how to calculate? Again, 4 plus 2 into 0.3 divided by tan 60. 0.3 divided by tan 60. Are you getting this point? Everyone, 2 into 0.3 divided by tan 60, that additional distance plus original inside length. So you are going to get 4.34. So you are going to get 4.34, which is that distance that is from here, that is from here to here, that is from here to here. Okay, now why you require that out? Yes,
Sir, once again, confuse.
confused. See here, I will make it enlarge little bit. Now is that clear? Now this diagram more clear, na?
Sir. Sir.
Now see here, what is happening? You know this inside to inside, how much? 4. How much it is? 4. Now what is this wall thickness? Whatever wall thickness is 0.3. Wall thickness is 0.3. 0.3. Now you want to have a center line for excavation, center line for brick wall, everything you need from here to here. This is the center line, no? Yes or no? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
center line. Now to calculate the center line, there is a formula. This additional, how to calculate? 2 into 0.15, 2 into 0.15 divided by tan 60. 2 into 0.15 divided by tan 60, that will give this additional. So additional plus 4, correct na? 4 plus 2 into 0.15 divided by tan 60. What is that 0.15? Half of this one. Half of this one. That will come out to be 4 point something. It will come. How to calculate this one is clear. Center line of this triangle.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್
ಹಾ.
ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 3 ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು?
ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್, ಅವಾಗ 0.15 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 0.15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ? ಈ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅದು. ಇದು 0.3 ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ 0.3.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
0.3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲು, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರಿಂಗು, ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗ ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಟ ಐತಿ? ಹಾಫ್. ಸೊ 0.3 ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ? 0.15 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ tan 60. 0.15 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ tan 60 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಎದಕ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? 0.15 ಇಂಟು tan 60 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಐತಿ 2. ಇದಕ್ಕ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್, ಈ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ 4 ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಹಂಗಪ್ಪ, ಈಗ ಹಂಗ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟರ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಔಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟರ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಔಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೇಕೋದಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬೇಕೋದಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ? To calculate from here to here, the formula used is 4, that is always there, plus 2 times. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು 0.15 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. Already we have written 0.15. Instead of 0.15, because we are taking from here to here, we need to consider total. How much is the total? How much is the total?
0.30.
0.30. So what we should write? 4 into 4 plus into 2 into 0.3 into divided by tan 60. Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆತನಪ್ಪ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಇದ್ರದಾತ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ದಾತ್ ಚಜ್ಜಾ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬೇಕದಲ್ಲ. ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಚಜ್ಜಾ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾ. So here to here, What are the things we should consider? From here to here distance, how much it is? Can anyone tell me? This is 0.3. From there it is how much?
0.45.
0.45. So 0.3 plus 0.45. How much it will become?
0.75.
0.75. So that distance, this plus from here to here is equal to 4 plus 2 into 0.75 divided by tan 60. Divided by tan 60. So this length is used while chajja. This inside length is used for roof. Center to center is used for excavation and brick wall. Now I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Huh? Okay. Now we will go. See here how they have calculated. See here. Okay. Na? So that center to center 4 plus 2 into tan 15 by 60. Correct? Huh? So this is mean length or center line length of excavation, whatever you call, 4.17. So total center to center means how many sides are there? 6 into this. 6 into this, it is coming out to be 25.02. Similarly, outer length, that is called as a outer length. How you have calculated? I have shown, no? 2 into 0.3 by tan 60. So this plus 4 is coming out to be 4.34. 4.34. Now for chajja again 4 plus 2 into 0.75 divided by tan 60. So how that is comes out to be 4.87. So now 4.75, how you obtained? Wall thickness plus chajja projection. Wall thickness plus chajja projection. Yes or no? It's simple, na? Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
area of floor. This is used to calculate tiles. This is used to calculate the tiles. Why? Six triangles, half base into height. What they have taken base? What they have taken base? Here. What they have taken on the base? What they have taken, Baba?
Inner to
4
inner
meter,
length.
sir.
4 meter is
Inner to
inside,
inner.
inside to inside means what? It is what? It is for tiles. But when you take this 4.34, when you take 4.34, sorry, 4.34, what area you are going to get there? Can anyone guess? Instead of 4, if you take 4.34, tiles area will not come. What area it will come?
Sir, central.
About 4.34 is the this
Slab, sir.
distance. This distance. Okay, na? This
Sir.
distance. If you
Slab
consider,
inverse.
exactly, very good, very good. If you take 4.34 as a base of a triangle into 6 triangles, you will get the slab area. If you take 4, you will get the tiling area. If you take 4.7, this you will get what? Chajja area. You will get the chajja area. Chajja area is not a triangle. That time you should consider it as a trapezium. You should consider it as a trapezium. So average of this and this you are going to consider. Okay, na? You are getting, no? You are getting. Chajja
Yes,
will
sir.
be chajja will be looking like this trapezium. This will be roof. That is what 4 point something is there. This is outside. That is another chajja is there. So average of this plus this, sorry, into multiplication. So that is you are going to get that one. Now, how that height is calculated? Simple trigonometry, na? This height, half base into height means this height. Correct, na? Or no? For
Yes, sir.
for tiles, you need to consider this as the height. Correct? For roof or first for tiling, this is the height. This is the height. Now, how this height is considered? How it is calculated? Triangle, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. This
Okay, na? Sine of this angle, how much is this one? 30 degree? Or how much is it? It is that 45 degree? What is that?
45.
Baba, triangle, Baba, trigonometry. Sine of this is opposite by adjacent. Correct, na?
Yes,
Sine
sir.
of this is opposite by adjacent. Yes or no? Or tan of this is opposite by x. Y by
Yeah.
x. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is r, if this is y, if this is x. Correct, na? Yes or no?
Ah,
Okay.
sir.
Huh. Tan of this is y by x, or sine of this is y by r. Simple. Anything you can calculate. Okay, na? Yes. Okay. Now, y you can calculate easily. Y you can calculate easily. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is aware what I am telling.
Yes, sir.
Please reply, Baba. Some students are simply keep quoting. Everyone, I need everyone to answer yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From sine formula or cosine formula, you can calculate this height. You can calculate this height, and this height should be used during tile area, tiling area. Okay, na? Similarly, you take this height, outside height. This height is used to calculate slab area. Slab area. Yes or no? Slab area. Now, how to get this outside height? This height h1, tan of 40 opposite divided by, add this one, opposite divided by abscissa. Correct or not? Y by
Yes,
x.
sir.
Already you have calculated this outside to outside. Take half of that one. You will get this one. Y x r. Use the simple trigonometry. Find out this height. Find out this height. How they have calculated? Using this here. They have calculated. Sine formula they have used. I think sine formula. What they have used? Opposite by what?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse height. Can anyone do the calculation? What is inside height and what is outside height by simply using the formula? They should get this 3.46 for inside, 3.76 for outside, 3.76 for outside. Can anyone do the calculation there? Use your own trigonometry. There is a triangle. There is a triangle. Okay, na? So you have 1 second. Angle calculation, remember very carefully. If this is total 60, this should be 30. This should be 30. And this should be again 60 only. Because 30, 60, 90, 90 plus this 90, 180. Are you understanding this concept?
Yes, sir.
So if this is total 60, half of this is half of the triangle. So this will be your 30. Again 30, to make it 90, you have to add 60, 30, 60, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So sine of 60 is equal to h divided by this L. This L is 4 meter. L is 4 meter. Now this y is equal to L into sine 60. Simple, na?
Yes,
L
sir.
into sine 60. Very simple. So like that they have done. Like that they have done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, na? So like that they have done. They have got 3.46 for inside height. Outside height for roof area. Outside height they have calculated as 3.76. 3.76. So using inside height, you get what? Half base into height. Inside height and inside width, you are going to get tiling area. Tiling area. Outside height and outside width, 4.34, 3.76. Of that 6 triangles, 48.96, it is an slab area. It is an slab area. All, have you understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now, once this basic calculation is completed, you can proceed this table. Simple, no? This is a center line method only. No long wall, no short wall. Center line means what? You have to minus the number of junctions. Correct? Minus the number of junctions. That type of thing is there. Whether can you see any junctions here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No junctions. So in the formula, no minus n into b by 2. That is not there. That is not there. So simply for excavation, center to center, you have calculated how much? 6 into mean. Why? You have to take mean distance. 6 into mean, 25. From the cross section, B. From the cross section, D. So you get excavation. Similarly, for PCC, center to center is same, width is cross section, and what is the height of PCC? 0.15. 0.15. Yes, sir. 0.15. Here it is. 0.15. Side stone masonry, first step, second step, plinth wall. All the center line length will remain same. That is generally it is done, but no deduction for junctions. That is also remaining same. Now first I will mark down the width. This is 0.75, height is 0.5, correct? 0.75, 0.5. Second is 0.6, 0.4, 0.6, 0.4. Third is 0.45, 0.45. 0.45, 0.45. You add all those things, multiply all those things, you will get this value. This is the total SSM. Total SSM, size stone masonry. DPC, how to calculate DPC? DPCs are calculated in square. So total center to center, width of DPC. Width of DPC is 0.45. So you are getting 25 into 0.45 is equal to 11.26. 11.26. Okay, now where door is there? So deduct the door square. Door is there? No, door. So doors is 1 meter and here it is 0.45. 1 into 0.45. 1 into 0.45. So that is coming out to be 0.45. You deduct that one as a this one. Okay, now first class brick. First class brick, simply you can write total center to center, width of the brick wall, height of the brick wall given in the cross section. It is coming out to be this much. In that you have to deduct the doors, one door. So one door cross section 1 meter by 2.1, width is 0.3. How many windows are there? 5 windows are there. From the schedule you can see 1.2 L, 1.5 is the height, 0.3 is the width. Lintel again, for this 0.15 plus 0.15 bearing, for this also 0.15 plus 0.15 bearing. So you can calculate the lintel. So they're the same thing, same calculations. So that so many things will come. So you are going to get answer as 3.5 as the deduction. 3.5 as the deduction. So in the total 22.52, if you deduct 19.02, so 3.5 you deduct, you are going to get 19.02. Is that clear
Yes, sir.
Yes.
for everyone? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These concepts are already repeated. No, from door length, how to calculate lintel length? What you are adding the bearing? How much bearing? 0.15 this side, 0.15 on other side. So two sides you are going to add. One small change they have made. What you can notice? Above the window, they are not giving full lintel. They are giving only 0.25, 0.25 on either side. This is the difference between previous example. In the previous example, how they have calculated to the window door, no, 1 plus 0.15 plus 1.5, they have directly written here. Similarly, they should have done like this. Similarly, they should have done like this 1.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, but they have not done. They have given cut lintel. This is not actually required during the exam calculation. Okay, you can assume something, some data, because these things are very, very small. It is not going to make much of a change. Okay, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now RCC. How to calculate RCC? Simple, no? 6 triangles. In the RCC, roof will come, chajja will come, lintels will come. Roof, chajja, lintel. Now, how to calculate roof? You already know. Half base into height, correct? Can anyone see? whether this is clear. Already you have calculated, no?
Yes, sir.
Outside length and outside height. Yes or no, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
six triangles, half base into height is the one triangle for roof. What is 0.12? What is 0.12? Shweta, what is 0.12? Sanju, what is 0.12? Sanju? Rangaraj, what is 0.12?
Slab thickness, sir.
Slab thickness, very good. Ranganath,
Sir.
okay, you just turn off your mic, Baba. Okay, Rangnath can turn off because noise is coming. Rushikesh sir, what is 0.12?
The slab thickness.
Slab thickness. Now multiplying slab thickness to the area of one triangle into six triangles, you will get 5.88 cubic meter for roof slab. Now coming to Chajja, whether it is a triangle, rectangle, trapezium. Rushikesh,
Trapezium.
trapezium, na? So inside length was 4.34. Outside length we calculated as 4.87. So average of this into this. How much is this? Chajja projection. How much is the Chajja projection? Can anyone tell me? Sneha madam.
So 0.45.
From the cross section. Very good. Average of this and this into this will give area. So that is what we have written here. That is what we have written here. What is 6? What is 6? Can anyone tell me what is 6? Shravan?
6 triangle, sir.
6 triangle, Allah, 6 trapezium.
Sir, trapezium, sir.
6 trapezium. Okay. Now, Sanju, what is 0.075? Sanju is not there. Shweta?
Hello, sir.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳದು. What is 0.075?
Sir, slab projection, sir.
Slab projection,
Sir.
Allah, wrong. See the cross section. What is 0.075? Here, 0.075, that is 7.5 centimeter is the thickness of Chajja. Thickness of Chajja. Are you understanding this point, Sanju?
Sir.
Clear?
Sir.
You know, 0.075 is the Chajja projection. 0.12 is the slab thickness. Slab thickness. Chajja thickness is 0.075. 0.075 is the Chajja thickness. 0.12 is the slab thickness. Projection is 0.45. Okay, now projection is 0.45. Clear this point?
Sir.
Clear? So you are going to get this point. You are going to get this answer. Similarly, you can calculate for lintels. Lintel calculation is very simple. Length, thickness, and its thickness. What is 0.15? You have considered as 0.15 is the thickness of lintel. These two quantities are very small. No need to worry about much of a thing. So when you add all these things, you will get 6.98 as the total RCC quantity. Total RCC quantity. Similarly for plastering. Plastering, what distance you should take? Inside also, outside also. Correct, na? Inside 4 is the width, height is 3 meter. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many triangles are there? How many type walls are there? 6.
6, sir.
Similarly, outside also one face is 4.34 and height is 3. This is a mistake or this is a correct one? Can anyone tell me? They have multiplied with only 1. Whether that should be 6 or 1?
6, sir.
Can anyone tell me? Plastering. Internal plastering, they have taken 6 sides and they have taken this distance. Okay, na? For outside plastering, they have taken this width. That is correct. Height is also correct, 3 meter correct. But they have taken only one number. Whether that is correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Yes, you can tell me.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong, sir.
Very good. It is a wrong thing. You can change this one. You can change this one. That's very, very wrong thing. They should not have done like that. Okay. Yes. See, book mistakes will be there. You should be very, very aware of all those things. Similarly, how many doors are there for the deduction? How many doors are there for the deduction? Only one door. How many windows are there? 5 windows. These are the schedules. These are the schedules. So this quantity should be deducted. So this much is the deduction. 11.1 is the deduction in the total. So you will get a total plastering. You will get total plastering. Similarly, for flooring, 6 triangles, inside height, inside length. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Inside length, inside height, you are going to get 41.52. Any doubts in the problem? Anything you want me to explain once again? Any person? Ranganath, Rushikesh, Salauddin, Sanju, Shravan, Sridhar, Srinivas, Sneha, Vidya, Vinayak Pujari. Can you tell me any doubts,
sir.
any part you want
No,
me
sir.
to
No, sir.
explain?
No, sir.
Very good. See, if this example comes in the exam, you should easily solve this one because it is very, very simple. Okay. Okay. We will go to the next problem like this, which is that 2 hexagons. Simple, no? 2 hexagons. What is that height given? 3. How many rooms are given?
2.
2 rooms. 2 hexagons, 2 rooms. 2 hexagons, 2 rooms. Can you calculate the center to center of this one? Can anyone tell me center to center of this one? You can calculate now. Using the same previous one, please start doing that one. Very important thing is that wall thickness is not 0.3 here. Wall thickness is how much?
0.23.
0.23. Very important. 0.23 is the point wall thickness. You should remember it very, very carefully. Now, previous case you had a 0.3 divided by 2, 0.15. So you multiplied with 2 into 0.15 divided by tan 60. You have multiplied there. But in this case, what you have to multiply? 2 into
2 into 0.115.
very good. 2 into 0.115 divided by tan.
Tan 60.
Tan 60.
Very good. 2 into 0.115 divided by tan 60 plus which one? This 3. Correct?
Plus 3.
Plus
Yes, sir.
3. So that value will comes out to be center to center. This center to center. Correct? Now
Yes, sir.
this concept is clear.
No, sir.
Clear? Huh? Similarly, 2 into 0.23 into tan 60. 2 into 0.23 divided by tan 60 plus 3 will give you this outside to outside of wall. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Outside to outside of wall. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Okay. How to calculate center height? How to calculate the center height? Same thing, na? You put here, you draw one line. Okay. Sine of 60 is equal to h divided by 3. Correct? Yes or no? Sine of 60 is equal to h divided by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So h is equal to 3 into sine 60. H is equal to 3 into sine 60. Similarly, if you take for roof, what is that? How to calculate? So, this distance you need. So that shall be h1 or h2, whatever. So this you have, this one here, this is. Whether this is 3 or more than 3, this one. This.
More than 3.
Outside,
More than 3, sir.
More
more
than
than 3, sir, outside length.
outside length. So it is 3 plus 0.23 wall thickness. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 3 plus 0.23. Understand the concept very clearly. That is very, very important here. So this is 3.23. 3.23. So H2 equal to sine 60 is equal to H2 divided by 3.23. H2 equal to 3.23. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go here one by one. So mean length they have calculated. Is this coming out to be correct for everyone? 3 plus 2 into 0.115 divided by 1060, 3.13. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you need to multiply with 6. You need to multiply with 6 this one. Correct? So take a pen and paper. Take a pen and paper there. Just calculate how much it is coming. How much it is coming. We are calculating center to center now. Center to center of the total building.
18.78.
18.78. You keep it in mind. You need to add all the things. First, you write 2. Sorry. How many hexagons are there? 2 hexagons, no? 1, 2. 2 hexagons. How many sides are there? 6. And what was the center to center length was there? 3 point how much? 3 point how much?
1.3.
3.13. So 3.13 into 6 sides is one hexagon plus this one is also there, no? So 2 times you have to multiply. 2 times. Okay, this is not complete. Total center line is still there. Total center line is still there. Now in the book, whatever length I am telling you, just add. I will go like this. I will go like this. 2 lengths are there. One this side, another this side. So how to write this one? 0.23 by 2. 0.23 by 2 plus 1.5 plus 0.23 plus 1.5 plus 0.3 by 2. How much?
3.46.
3 point.
3.49.
3.46.
I will tell once again. I will tell once again. Sorry, 0.23 by 2 plus 1.5 plus 0.23 plus 1.5 plus 0.23 by 2.
3.46.
3.46, sir.
3.46, sir.
So how many lengths are there like this? 1 and 2. 2 sides are there, na? Correct, na?
6.92.
Multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. Okay, na?
6.92, sir.
Okay, na? Now, in vertical direction, how many walls are there? 3 walls are there, no? 1, 2, 3. How many walls? 3 walls are there. So one wall distance is what? 3. 0.3 by 2 here, 0.3 by 2 here. So 3.3, correct? So 3.3, how many walls?
So,
3.
vertical
Four
one wall ಬರೋಣ sir. So vertical one wall ಬರ್ತದೆ hexagonal ದಾಗ ಬರೋಣ sir.
ಏನು?
Yes, sir. Vertical
So
one
vertical
wall.
one. Sir, vertical one wall.
Correct. Very good. So only one 3.3. Only one 3.3. Correct. Very good. I forgot.
Two,
Okay.
3.
Now you add this and this 3.3. How much you are getting?
3. 3.23.
Hey, 3.43 plus this, everything you add.
23.
28.93.
All the things, Baba, all hexagons, all the lengths, everything.
7.56 plus 47.78.
No, 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 no.
So 51.91, sir.
41 point.
51.91.
Okay.
Sir, 47.67.
Hmm.
47.67. 47.78.
Okay. That is what? 47 point.
67.
Okay. One person can correctly tell 47 point. All the things, hexagon plus this length, this plus this hexagon, everything you add and give me the total center to center.
47.78.
Correct. 47.71 is the correct answer. 47.71 is the correct answer. Correct? Is that okay? Now, half of the problem is complete only. Once you get the total center line length, later on, only thing is to adjust the number of junctions and deduct with its width only. Deduct its with width. Is that okay? How many junctions are there here? How many junctions? 1,
3,
2,
sir.
3, 4,
6.
5, 6. 6 junctions are there. So what is the width there? Meeting 0.23 wall is meeting with 0.23 wall. Okay, na? 0.23 wall is meeting with 0.23 wall only. In the textbook, they have done a mistake. The Shravan Kumar sir told exactly this point only. Told exactly this point only. Very accurately is correct. My answer is 47.71. What I have calculated. In the book, they have given it 54.17. That is wrong. You should get 47.71 only.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
But
Okay, 47.71. Very good. See, in the book also they are doing it wrong. Yeah, they are doing it wrong. No, all these things you have calculated. This thing, outer length of the wall, have you calculated?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone has calculated outer length of the wall?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tiling area,
No, sir.
you calculate no tiling area and slab area. You know the base height of each triangle multiplied by 6. Floor area, slab area. You can calculate. See here, you should use the inside dimensions for floor area, tiled area. You should use the outside dimensions for roof area or slab area.
तिरंगा माइक बंद कर दे.
Okay, can you calculate? This type of problems will come. Very simple. In 1 or 2 steps, you can get the dimensions. But you should remember the tan and sine formula clearly. Whether my voice is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. In that, you just check the inside area and outside area. See here, in this one, they have done only for triangle, only for inside triangle, only for outside triangle, they have done. Okay. Later on, it is multiplied with 2 because 2 hexagons are there. And apart from that, plus bathroom, that square blocks are there, no? 2 rooms, bathroom and bathrooms are there, no? They have to add that one. Check whether you are getting this one. Area of inside triangle, area of outside triangle, using the dimensions, what you have calculated. Check. You know sine formula, cos formula, everything you know. Use the triangle method. Calculate that one. Has anyone told, telling the answer? Rishikesh? Shweta? Sneha? Where are they? Everyone? People are there or left? Sridhar, Shravan, ಅದಿರೇನಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಿಗೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅದಿರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
हाँ सर, calculating.
Okay. So you can calculate later. Yes or no? Shall we proceed?
Sir.
Shall we proceed or not? See, I will explain this problem here because here the calculation is itself, the numbers are wrong here. I will just explain. Please listen here, everyone. Please listen here, everyone. You can do it later. See here, for earthwork, wherever correction is there, I will tell. See here, center to center line minus n into b by 2. Correct na? This formula has to be used now for center line method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
here,
sir.
here center line they have taken 54.17. That is wrong. What we should take 47.17, which we have done for our calculation. So 47.17 minus number of junctions into b by 2, where b is the excavation width. D is the depth of the excavation. So whatever that value will come, you put it here, do the calculation. Do the calculation. The same thing is applicable for B and D for PCC. The length will not change, depth and height will change. Okay. Side stone masonry, center to center length original minus 6 into B by 2 minus 6 into B by 2. This B is first footing width, second B is second footing width. Okay, those things are written here from the cross section. That corrected length will be written, multiplication, you will get the distance. Plinth is what? Total height, sorry, total length and its width and its thickness Is that okay? Brickwork, how to calculate brickwork? Same center to center, number of junctions, width of the wall by 2. B by 2 is width of the wall by 2. So this length you should write it here, and the width of wall is 0.23, height is 3.5. Height is 3.5. How to calculate the deduction? Everyone know. Doors D1, W, V, their numbers you should write and their dimensions you should write. Okay. And again, lintel, how to calculate? You are also knowing the number will remain same. You add plus bearing distance to this, plus bearing, plus bearing, plus bearing, plus bearing. You will get these values. So once these deductions will be deducted from this, you will get the net brickwork. You will get the net brickwork. Okay, na? So here now next, what is this? Roof. This one you are doing. No, this one you are doing. So roof is 2 hexagons, 1 triangle distance, 1 triangle area. Correct or not? Half base into height. Outside to outside, half base into height. Number of triangles are 6. Number of hexagons are 2. Into this is the thickness of the slab. So you will get this quantity. You will get this quantity. Similarly, that rectangular portion is there. No, rectangular portion. How many rectangles? 2. What is the dimensions? 3.23 on one side, 3.46 on either side. You have calculated, no, that center to center calculation. So multiplying the thickness of the slab, you are going to get this one. You can easily calculate, yes or no. So again, for lintel also you should do, for chajja also you should do, no problem. How to calculate lintel? Length, width, its depth. How many numbers are there? You are going to get it in the schedule. Okay, na? So plastering can you do? As an example, homework. Plastering can you do, everyone? What happened to others? Everyone is quiet.
Sir,
Rishikesh, Salahuddin, Shanju, Srinivas, Sneha, Chavan, Pujari. Can you do or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Later on, see, already I have given the questions. So you can just try a practice. Okay. Concept is clear for hexagon type of a problem.
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear. I am asking you how to take which side, what to take when roof is considered, what to take when slab is considered. Okay. Yes or no? That concept is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Very good. Now we will go to the
sir,
this
excuse
one.
me, sir.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
सर एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो और
एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर है.
हाँ सर.
ड्राइंग में एक्सप्लेन करूँ तुमको?
हाँ हाँ चलेगा सर.
ड्राइंग में एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. देखो कहाँ गए वो ड्राइंग. ये ड्राइंग है ना.
हाँ सर.
इसमें देखो एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. 1 सेकंड. ये जा रहा. हाँ चले. एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर क्या है? इनसाइड एरिया. यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट इनसाइड एरिया. रूफ का एरिया क्या होता है? आउटसाइड एरिया, आउटसाइड ऑफ द वॉल. इधर तक तुम्हारा स्लैब आता है ना.
यस
ठीक है.
सर.
हाँ, मगर टाइल्स तुम कहाँ तक बिठाएगा? इधर अंदर ही अंदर बिठाएगा ना तुम. तो इसके लिए इनसाइड. Now initially what you have done, you have calculated this height, inside height na. You have
Yes, sir.
calculated this inside height, and you know already this. You know
Yes, sir.
already this because it is given. So one triangle area you can calculate, multiply by the 6 triangle into 2 will give the 2 hexagon and this square. This square. What is that? 1.5 into 3 plus 1.5 into 3. You will get what? Flooring area, or you will get what? sorry, what is that? Tile area. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, for roof, you need to get this outer length. How to get this one? You used that 2 into tan 60 formula use, no? So you'll get this length. Similarly, using sine rule, you calculate height from center to this height. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
from there you can calculate one triangle which is outer triangle, which is bigger triangle. So 6 triangles into 2 because there are 2 hexagons. That is clear. And
Yes, sir.
again outer to outer, again outer to outer. How to get outer to outer? How to get outer to outer? You have to multiply this thickness. You have to multiply by this thickness. Is that
Okay,
clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Okay, very good. Hmm. This type of example is very dangerous. Can you see? Everyone, can you see this one? Can you see this diagram?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
I will just rotate this one once again. How to rotate? Any rotate option is there? Okay, whatever it may be, we'll do it by one. See, calculation of center line I will tell. Okay, using that this one. Remaining thing is very easy. Already you have done. Now, everyone, take a pen and paper. Take a pen and paper. Yesterday I have already given the drawings, so you should be already drawn there. Okay. See here, first there are, how many rooms are there? One library room is there, one reading room is there. Okay, one reading room is there. Some portion is a circular portion. Some portion is what? Circular portion. Now, the radius of this semicircle is given. The radius of this semicircle is given. To calculate the central perimeter of this semicircle, central perimeter of this circle, first calculate the central radius from the center point of this plus 3. Center point of this wall plus 3, you should get central radius. So central radius is how much? 3 plus what you should add? What you should add there? Can anyone tell me? From here to here.
0.2 by 2.
Hmm?
Point
Half
Very
of
good.
thickness, sir.
Very good.
Half
Very
of wall
good.
thickness.
Here wall thickness, throughout the wall thickness, they have given 0.2. That is very important. It is very important. Okay, na? So from here to here, it is 0.2 by 2 plus 3. How much?
3.1.
3.1.
3.1. Now,
3.1.
total perimeter is given by 2 pi r, correct? Total perimeter is the formula is 2 pi r, but half of the perimeter we want, so pi r. So pi into r, how much you are getting? Half of the perimeter.
Nine point seven
9.73.
Hmm?
9.73.
9.74. Okay, na? So here they have done 9.74. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. Come to this one. You add all the center to center now. You add all the center to center here. So here, can you see from here to here, how much is the center to center? Here it is 7.3 is the total. 7.3 is the total. In that you minus 3. In that you minus 3. So how much it is there?
4.3.
4.3.
4.3.
4.3 plus 0.1 here, plus 0.1 this side, plus 0.1 on this side.
Sir, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ವಾಲ್ 0.3 ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಇದಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಂತೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. How much it is coming?
4.4, sir.
4.4.
4.
I think it is 0.2 only. We will see later. 4.4. And this 0.2 by 2 we need to take na center to center for this one.
4.4.
4.5 sir.
4.4.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ 4.
Half of the
4.
width. 4.4. So
4, sir.
So in reading room, first we are doing in reading room. How many this length is there? 2 times na. So 2 into 4.4. 2 into 4.4. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In reading room, what we have calculated? This perimeter we have calculated first part. In the second part, this length plus this length we have calculated. What is left in reading room? This length is left, no? Yes or no? This
Yes, sir.
length is left. So center to center of this length, 6 plus 0.1 by 2, 6 plus 0.2 by 2, and here 0.2 by 2. This is also 0.2 only. They cannot give like that. Okay. This is also 0.2 only.
6.2.
6.2.
2.
6.2. So total center to center of reading room, how much? Total center
15
to
sir. 15.
15. It is coming 15.
Yes sir.
15. Okay. Now come to this. What is this room? Library room. What is this? Library room. Okay, na? So what is this center to center, this dimension? 5.5 plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
5.7.
Okay. How many walls are there? 1 and 2. Correct?
2.
2. So multiply with the 2. Okay.
1.4.
Another thing is there. Library room. 4 meter is there, no? 4 meter. Yes or no? 4 meter. So in the 4 meter plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. How much?
4.2.
4.2.
4.2.
So what is the total this center to center of this library room?
15.4.
15.4.
20.2 sir.
See here, this wall is already taken in a reading room. You
Yes,
should
sir.
take only this one plus this plus this.
Yes, sir.
15.6.
15.6, correct. Coming out to be 15.6. Now, library plus reading room, total center to center, how much?
30.6.
Hey,
ಸರ್ ಅದ 15.6 ಐತ್ರಿ. ತೆಳಗಿನ 15 ಐತ್ರಿ.
ಇದು total
15 ರೀ ಪ್ಲಸ್
total this perimeter plus this wall plus this wall.
40.34 sir.
Others calculate. Others, can you calculate?
Sir.
Answer is correct. 40.34 is the total center to center. of reading room plus library room, everything is correct. 40.34 is the correct answer. ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮುನ್ನೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಅದಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮುನ್ನೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಲಾವುದ್ದೀನ್ ಬೆಟಗೇರಿ,
सर
क्या आंसर आ रहा है क्या नहीं?
हाँ सर कर रहा हूँ।
ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ?
40.14 ಸರ್.
34 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, 40.34 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಬರತೈತಿ 40.34? ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಿಳಿದದ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇದು? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ 40.34 ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತ?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ, ಇದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾದಿಡ್ಡಿ ಆಗತ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. Inside radius they have given 3 meter. Inside radius they have given 3 meter. And wall thickness they have given 0.2 meter. Wall thickness they have given 0.2 meter. My voice is clear for everyone?
Yes sir.
Okay. 0.2 meter is the thickness. Now, as we are doing the center line method, for all walls you are calculating center to center. No, all walls you are calculating center to center. Similarly, for this semicircle also you need this center to center like this. Sorry. This center to center line. So to calculate center to center perimeter, you need this central radius from the midpoint of this wall, curved wall, to this one. How to get that midpoint? You need to add half of the brick thick, half of the wall thickness. What is wall thickness? 0.2. What is half of that one? 0.1. So 0.1 plus 3 will give you 3.1. 3.1 is the radius for this semicircle of central line excavation. Central line excavation. So total semicircle perimeter is 2 pi r. Half of the semicircle means what? You take out 2 pi r. So once you got central radius, multiply with pi, you will get this central perimeter. This central perimeter that is required. That is required now. Okay. Now whether it is clear now?
Yes sir.
Ranganath sir?
Ha sir.
Clear?
Ha ರೀ.
ಸೊ ಆ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋದು. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಈಗ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ರೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ದಾಗ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಕರ್ಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿಪ್ಪ? ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? ಟೋಟಲ್ 7.3 ಒಳಗ ಈ 3 ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ. ಈ 3 ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ 4.3. ಆ 4.3 ಒಳಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು 0.1 ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 0.1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ತ ಸೇಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, 6 ಐತಿ, 6ಗೆ 0.1 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮುಗೀತು ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ऐसे इधर भी करना है. Okay, so library room में 1 wall 2 wall will be same. How much? 5.5 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. So this side 4 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, simple, correct? So once you add all those things, you will get what? You'll get what?
Center line.
Center line of the total building, which is 40.34. Try to understand in hexagonal shape, in pentagon shape, in irregular shapes like this semicircle. Do this by center line method only, which will be easier. Don't do by long wall short wall method. It will be difficult. It will be difficult. Go for center line only. Okay. Now come to the first. How many junctions are there? 2 junctions, correct? How many junctions? 1 junction, 2 junctions. So 220 by 20, 2 junctions are there. Come to this one. Whether your answer is same 40.34, which they have calculated.
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾಣರ ಅದಿರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರಿ. ರಂಗು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾಣ ಅದ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. Okay, now shall we proceed this one? Okay, now for excavation, write one number as usual. Do not write length, write excavation width, excavation depth. Clear? You write 40.34 minus n into b by 2. N is 2 junctions are there, b by 2 is the width of that excavation, 0.8 by 2. So you should get 39.54. 39.54. That one you are writing it here. So this step is clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For everyone I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now next, for side stone masonry, they are not calculated PCC, forget it. Side stone masonry, don't write length like this, write only first step, second step. On the side you have the sketch with you. On the side you have sketch with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down the width of first footing, width of second footing, height of first footing, depth of second footing. Okay na? Sorry. First footing length, center length, that will be same. Now 2 into b by 2, 2 into b by 2, b for first footing, b for second footing. Simply substitute, you will get this length, 39.84, 39.94. That one you are writing it here, you have written already, you will get the quantities. So you are going to get this length. Is that clear? Second step.
Yes,
For
sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can we will calculate from the diagram. Take up book and pen. How this 262 is obtained, you will calculate. How this 262 is obtained. You are going to do that one. Okay, na? Come to the diagram. At least it should come nearer to 262. Okay. Now erase this, all these things. Take a pen and paper. First we will calculate inside. So inside perimeter is how much? Inside perimeter. Pi
3.
into R. Pi into R, na?
Yes, sir.
Pi into 3. You write it first point. You write it first point. Pi into 3. Okay. That is first one. Write down that one. So inside this line, we want plastering. So what we are doing is, so we are adding all these lengths and we are multiplying with the height. We are adding all these lengths and multiplying with the height. That will give perimeter. Sorry, that will give plastering surface. So this is how much? This is how much? 4.3, na? 4.3 plus 6 plus 4.3. total into height. So for perimeter also you should multiply by height. Height is how much? 3 meters. No. Height is they have given 3.3.
3.3.
Height is given 3.3. Perimeter into height. This perimeter into height. How much for reading room?
It depends 382.
You write down inside. Inside you write down. You write down inside. Okay, na? Similarly for this. Inside plastering. How to calculate inside plastering? 5.5 plus 4 plus 5.5 plus 4. How much it is coming?
19.
19 into 3.3. That is the height of plastering. 19 into 3.3.
62.7.
You add both those things.
2.7.
62.7 for library and the reading room, that is one value. Both are internal plastering. Can anyone calculate outside length, total outside length? Simply add all the dimensions on this side. Okay, and outside perimeter you should add. So I will tell the distance on the book. You write parallelly. Okay, na? Outside to outside. Is that okay? I will start dictating one by one. Later on, we'll directly multiply with the height. First, we are going to write height distance. Here to here, 5.5. Okay, na? Plus 0.1 plus 0.1. Okay. Sorry. I will repeat once again. Start with once again. 5.5 plus 0.2. 5.5 plus 0.2. Okay. Plus 0.2 plus 4 plus 0.2. Okay. Next, plus 0.2 plus 5.5 plus 0.2. Okay. Next, 6 plus 0.2. 6 plus 0.2. Okay. Next, 4.3 plus 0.2. 4.3 plus 0.2. Okay. Plus pi into 3.2. Pi into 3.2. Pi into 3.2. How much it is coming? Pi into 3.2 is the inside bracket. Huh? Inside bracket.
It's 2.
Total length.
Sir, pi into 3.2 is 11.904.
11.90 ಉಳ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
36.75.
36.75.
Very good. 36.75 is the external perimeter. Multiply with the height. 3.3.
Sir, 264.
So that is the answer given in the book, 262. We are very, very nearer to that one. We are good in calculation. Okay. Others, are you getting the quantity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that they have done the deduction. I will not go into this part because it's very simple, already told. Now you calculate same thing for inside flooring. You calculate the area now, inside flooring. Shall I tell? Explain. Flooring area. Take a pen and paper. I will tell. Flooring area. Can I tell?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So first part, library room area. Library room. 5.5 into 4. Simple. 5.4 into 5.5 into 4. Simple. That is for library room area. Second portion. 6 into 4.3. 6 into 4.3. This rectangular portion. 6 into 4.3. Correct? Okay. Okay. For this semicircle area, pi r square or pi r square by 2? Can anyone tell me?
Pi square.
Pi r square for full circle, whether it is full circle or half circle.
Half, sir.
Circle.
So what we have to do? Pi r square or pi r square by 2?
pi r square by 2.
Square by 2.
Pi square by 2. Pi r square by 2. So what is r inside? No, that is directly given. R is 3. So pi r square by 2. Pi into 3 square by 2. How much?
14.13.
So you add all the things. Semicircle, this room, that room. How much?
$61.94.
Very good, very good. 61.94. Whether the answer given in this example is correct here, can you see on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Easy, no, very easy. No, nothing much of a difficult. Small kids will do this problem. Okay. Okay. Now abstract. What is this abstract? You are writing all the items. You are writing the quantities, and you are multiplying with the corresponding rates. You'll get the amount. You'll get the amount. Simple. Plus add a contingency. Plus add work charged establishment. Plus work charged establishment. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, sir. What you
Yes,
say?
Yes, sir.
See this problem, how it is there. Can you see the problem here?
Yes, sir.
Whether it is a addition of another 2 rooms, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here in the problem, we have just now we have solved this, correct? This portion.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only they have added these 2 buildings, these 2 rooms. These 2 rooms. Okay. Concept is clear for everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm? Or shall we solve this problem also?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll just tell how to solve this one. Can you solve or not this problem?
Yes, sir. We can solve.
Others, what happened? Salahuddin,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹ,
Yes, sir.
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Sir.
ಮಂತ್ರೇಶಿ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಮಂತ್ರೇಶಿ.
ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಐತಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಐತಿ ಇನ್ನು.
ಹಾ
ಪಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ತಿಳಿದೈತಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ. ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಂತ್ರಿ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಂದ್ ಐಟಮ್
ಸರ್.
ಒಂದ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡು. ಓಕೆ,
ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ್ದ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಬರ್ರಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಪೆನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತೋರಪ್ಪ, ಪಟ್ ತೊಂದ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 1.8 ಇದೆ. 1.8 ಇದೆ. ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.3. ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ 0.3. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಆಮ್ ಐ ಆಡಿಬಲ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, find out the mean radius or center radius. 1.8 plus 0.3 by 2. How much?
1.95.
1.95. Okay, na? 1.95. Semicircle perimeter, pi into 1.95. Correct? Semicircle perimeter, pi into 1.95.
6.126.
0.13.
Okay. You just write it there. 1 second. You just write it there. Okay, na? You'll start from here. You'll start from this side. Okay, now parallelly we will go. Are you able to see it on the screen now? In which direction I am going?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? On the screen it is visible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One item we are going to do. We are going to check whether the answers are coming or same or not. Okay. Now, just we'll see. So this is a 2.4. Correct? So you add 2.4 plus 0.2. Sorry, 0.3. 2.4 plus 0.3. 2.4 plus 0.3 plus 3.0 plus 0.3 by 2. I repeat once again. 2.4 plus 0.3 plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2. Correct?
5.85.
5.85.
5.85, how many? 1, 2, 3. So you multiply with 3 and keep it side. You multiply with that one, keep it side. Okay?
10.5.
You keep it side. 1 second. Next one. This wall I will take. This wall. 0.3 by 2. 0.3 by 2 plus 3.6 plus 0.3 plus 3.6 plus 0.3 by 2.
7.8.
7.8.
How many walls are there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So you multiply with 2 and write it there. Side. Okay. Okay. Next. 0.3 by 2 plus 3.6 plus 0.3 by 2.
3.9.
3.9. So you add all the things. We have not done, we have not left, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the things have been covered. You add all the things. Semicircle, all the things you add.
43.18.
43.18 okay. Is the center to center of all the building. Is the center to center of all the building. Now, how many junctions are there? How many junctions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. 5 junctions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, na? So now to calculate the excavation, corrected length. I am writing it corrected length. So how much it was there? Just now we have calculated total center to center.
43.18.
43.18. 43.18 minus n into b by 2, where n is 5, b is excavation width. Excavation width is 0.9. Excavation width is 0.9. So 5 into 0.9 by 2. 5 into 0.9 by 2.
40.93.
40.93 is the corrected length. 40.93 is the corrected length into width of the excavation, that is 0.9. Height of the excavation, how much? 0.4, 0.4, 0.3, 1.1. 40.93 into 0.9 into 1.1. How much?
40.52.
Final.
40.52.
40.52.
In the book, what they have given? How much is answer they have given here? Can you see? Can you see, Baba, on the book?
Yes, sir.
How much they have given?
41.11.
Other people, can you see the written in the book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nearer, no? They have done with long wall, short wall method. We are done with which method? Central line method. Very accurate one. No problem. We are also 100% correct. Which item you want to do next? You want to do any other item here? Plastering shall we do? Or is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Plastering we will do. Gross quantity we will do. Deduction we will not do. Okay, na? Just simply. Plastering. We will see the answers, how much it is coming. Okay, na? Okay. Internal plastering. First, we are going to do internal plastering. First one, 3.6 into 3. Write down. First room, 3.6 into 3.
10.8.
Yeah, 3.6 into 3. First room. Second room is also same. 3.6 into 3. 3.6 into 3. Second room. Third room. 3.6 into 2.4.
8.64.
Fourth room is also 3.6 into 2.4. You write down there. Fourth room. Okay. Fourth room is also same. 3.6 into 2.4. Fifth room, that is semicircle. Fifth room, that is a semicircle. Pi into 1.8. Pi into 1.8. That is the pi r. Half of the circle. Pi r. Pi into 1.8. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
This is all internal plastering. Okay. Perimeter. Sorry. What we have calculated? We have calculated flooring quantity. sorry. We have calculated flooring quantity. That
Yeah.
is not required, I think. Okay. Plastering quantity. Okay. We have calculated the flooring. Okay. Leave that one. It is okay. Flooring. We will do plastering. We'll do plastering. We want perimeter inside. Okay. 2 times 3.6 plus 2.3. How much?
13.2.
13.2.
2.
Everyone is getting the same answer, 13.2.
So again one time. So
Huh?
repeat. So repeat.
We are doing a plastering now. The previous one, what we have done, no, multiply. That
Floor.
was for flooring, tile. Plastering, we need to take the inside perimeter like this, inside perimeter. So how to calculate inside perimeter? 3.6 plus 3 plus 3.6 plus 3. How much?
13.2.
13.2. Same dimension is for this room also. So multiply with 2.
26.4.
Okay. Third room. 3.6 plus 2.4 plus 3.6 plus 2.4.
12.
12. Okay, that is the third thing you need to add. Fourth thing, see here, fourth thing, how to add. Three sides are same. Three sides are like this. 2.4 plus 3.6 plus 2.4. You add.
8.4.
8.4.
Okay. For that, you need to add this half of the perimeter, that is pi into d. Pi into d. So pi into 1.8.
5.65.
5.65. So you add all the things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the rooms.
62.45.
Is the length total?
Yes, sir, I think.
62.15 is the length into 3.3 height. Sorry, 3. Only 3. Only 3.
186.45.
What? How much value you are getting?
186.45.
186.45 is internal plastering. Is internal plastering. We will go for outer plastering. We will go for outer plastering. I will start from here. Okay, na? Okay. Add continuously. I will tell you. You should write down and later you add. 2.4 plus 0.3 plus 3 plus 0.3. Again, plus 0.3 plus 3.6 plus 0.3 plus 3.6 plus 0.3. Okay. Again, plus 0.3 plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 3.6 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 2.4. 2.4 plus inside the bracket pi into 2.1. Pi into 2.1. How much you are getting?
50.89.
50.89. No.
30. 30.89.
30.89. 30.89 is correct.
30.89.
Okay. Everyone is getting 30.89. Multiply by the height of plaster, 3 meter.
92.69.
Correct? Huh? So that 92 is outer plastering. Internal plastering is 184. 184, na?
84.
You add both internal and external. Internal and external. How much?
Sir, 250.04.
Very good, very good, very claps. Very fantastically calculated.
250.02.
Very good, very good. Shweta madam, are you there?
Square.
Srinivas Mantreshi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, 250.4, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. So, Vinayak Pujari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 250 you have calculated. In the book, what they have given? Can you see on the book? Solved.
Yes, sir.
How much? Vinayak Pujari.
249.15, sir.
Very good. That means we are 100% correct in calculation. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Everyone say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what is happening? In that they have done the deduction, which is very simple. You can do it. This deduction. Doors, windows, and windows. Okay, na? Now last one, abstract. All the quantities you are writing, multiplying with the rate, you will get the amount. Okay. To that you are adding 3% contingency, 2% work charged establishment. 2% work charged establishment. Clear this problem?
Yes, sir.
They have done using long
Yes,
wall,
sir.
short wall method. We have done using central line method. Both are giving the same answers. Both are giving the same answers. So, any difficulty in understanding hexagonal problems, semicircular problems? Any difficulty?
No, sir.
No?
no, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Shall we stop the class?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow at what time? Same time. After the 12:30 we will have a class. Okay. Tomorrow at 12:30 we will have a class. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow we will meet at 12:30. So you be aware of the timings. I will be taking class at 12:30. Thank you very much. Any difficulty, you can stay. Otherwise, leave the meeting. No problem. Thank you very much.